Stop thinking about your living room as a static space and start seeing it as a workspace for your life. Most furniture just sits there like a heavy, unmoving boulder. This massive, over 8 foot long modular seating system is something else entirely. It is an absolute beast of a furniture piece that refuses to be boring. You look at it, and you see more than just a place to sit. It is a sprawling, flexible landscape for your home. We are talking about more than 8 feet of pure, plush real estate. The classic L-shaped configuration is the go-to move, but the modularity is the real secret here. You can tear it apart, you can stretch it out into a long line, you can even create separate little islands of seating if you are hosting a big group. The sheer scale of it is meant to dominate a room in the best way possible. It becomes the center of gravity for the whole house, the place where everyone naturally gravitates. Now, let's talk about the actual feeling of sitting on it. It uses high-density foam. That is the high-quality stuff. It is not that cheap. Flimsy padding that disappears after a week of use. It gives you that immediate sink-in sensation, but it catches you before you hit the bottom. It is supportive. It is deep. It feels like it was designed for marathon movie sessions or those long, lazy Sunday afternoon naps. The back pillows are thick and welcoming. The wide arms give you a place to actually rest your limbs or even a remote. And the fabric? It is soft to the touch, but it is surprisingly tough. It is designed to breathe, so you do not get that sticky, overheated feeling during a long gaming session. It resists pilling. It resists fading. It is built for the reality of a busy household with kids and pets running wild. Underneath all that softness is a frame made of solid hardwood. It feels sturdy. It feels permanent, but getting it into your house, that is the real test. It arrives in multiple, large, heavy boxes. This is not a one-person job. You're going to want a partner for this. Expect to spend at least an hour getting everything snapped together. The modular connectors are actually quite clever. They click into place and keep the whole thing from sliding around on your hardwood or carpet. It stays put. Once it is up, the impact is immediate. It transforms a standard room into a high-end lounging zone. It is a significant investment. Sure, it costs more than a basic, small sofa, but you are paying for the flexibility and the massive seating capacity. It adapts as your life changes. It grows with your needs. It is the kind of piece that defines a home for years. It is practical. It is modern. It is, quite frankly, the ultimate upgrade for anyone tired of cramped, uncomfortable seating. This is how you reclaim your living space and make it the heart of your daily life. It is not just about a couch. It is about how you exist in your own home, providing that perfect balance of style, support, and pure lounging comfort for everyone who walks through your door. It is a long-term solution for a more comfortable life.